Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can switch to a landscape format for your presentation in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on a blank project, and I am in landscape mode at the moment, but pretty much the same process applies for the reverse process, and I'll be showing you how to change to an A4 PDF format, and then how you can change it back. Now, what you need to do is, first, of course, you do need to have Canva Pro, which you can acquire if you're in a team where the owner or administrator have Canva Pro, and then you can just click on change size and magic switch, or resize and magic switch, and it'll open up this menu. I do apologize for this not being in English, but it is what it is. Then you need to go to resize and then click show all, and here you can choose which, well, for photo you want, or which format you want. As you can see, there is an A4 portrait, which I'll click, and then you just click continue, and then you can select how, or preview how each of the pages looks. Then you can copy it and change the size, or you can just change the size of this design. I'll choose this design, and it takes a bit, and as you can see, it has been resized to a different format. Now the same can be done, as I've said, for a landscape format. You just need to find the landscape, which is a 16:9 presentation, and that is pretty much what you need to do. Now you're in landscape, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.